Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh, yes. She feels so nice. I'm definitely going to do some repaint stuff to her face to make her look more like the actress Emilia Clarke, and probably some more detail on her dress. Here is the prize piece, oh man, from this. Look at this. Here he is. Oh, he's so detailed. And his paint job is wonderful, honestly. Oh my gosh. He's beautiful. And huge, he's so big. And he's very heavy. Number 316 out of 750. HBO licensed product. Yep, does this go? She is here. Like that, like this. 1, 2, 3. Settled. Nice. Right down like that. Oh. This is a heavy sculpture. The detail is stunning. This goes for about 400 or so online. I haven't really seen it go lower than that often. Honestly, it's beautiful. I have another Daenerys by them, not as there's its new home. Not as amazing, but you know, she's I think the same size, maybe about the same. This is Daenerys when she goes back to the Dothraki. This is what one of the standard Dark Horse figures looks like. You can get them probably between 20 and 45 bucks. Some are like in the 70s depending, but this one I got for I think a deal. I picked this up for $200, which yes, that's a lot to spend on a figure. And no, I don't really have the money to be spending like that, but I didn't think that I would ever have the chance to get it for $200 again, and since there's only 750 of them made, I figured, why not? I'm a huge Daenerys fan, and this I think is a really amazing piece. So now she can join her other Daenerys and more dragon friends. There's the rest of all these things. Sculpting that still. For the size of my Dark Horse Witcher figures. So, yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye!